There's a place where time slows down. Where the air feels softer, the colors feel richer. And every moment feels like it belongs in a dream. Welcome to Bali, and the breathtaking islands that surround it. It's an amazing place to visit. This isn't just a destination. Bali is very special, it's a feeling. From the moment you arrive, something shifts. The warmth of the people, the scent of incense in the air, the quiet hum of daily rituals that have been carried on for generations. You begin to realize, this journey is going to be different. Bali invites you to slow down. To step away from the noise, and reconnect with something simple, something real. Wander through lush rice terraces that stretch endlessly into the horizon. Watch the light dance across the fields as the sun rises, and feel a sense of calm that's hard to describe. Every corner of Bali tells a story. It really is a fascinating place. Ancient temples standing strong against time. The craftsmen at work. Waves rolling endlessly onto golden shores. The beaches of Bali and the surrounding islands are very special. Hidden waterfalls waiting quietly in the jungle. And just when you think you've seen it all, the adventure continues. A short journey takes you beyond Bali, to places that feel even more untouched, more raw, more unforgettable. Swimming with the manta rays is an amazing experience. Welcome to Nusa Penida. Here, nature shows off in its most dramatic form. Towering cliffs, crashing waves, it's so spectacular. And viewpoints that stop you in your tracks. You stand at the edge of the island, looking out over the endless ocean, and for a moment, nothing else matters. It's powerful, humbling, and absolutely unforgettable. Not far away lies Nusa Ceningan, a smaller island with a completely different rhythm. Here, life feels slower, quieter, more personal. Cross the iconic yellow bridge, rent a motorbike, just get out and explore. And enter a place where the days are simple, and the views are endless. Crystal clear waters, hidden lagoons, and sunsets that paint the sky in every shade of gold. It's the kind of place that makes you want to stay just a little longer, and then a little longer after that. And then, there's the magic of the Gili Islands. Far from traffic, far from stress, these islands offer something rare, true escape. Welcome to Gili Trawangan, the main and most touristy of the three islands. Just a short ferry trip from the mainland of Bali. Vibrant, energetic, alive with possibility. Days here are filled with sunshine and salt air. With bikes instead of cars, everyone rides bikes around the island for fun. It's a great way to see the island. And the sound of waves never far away. Snorkel in waters so clear they feel unreal. Swim alongside turtles drifting effortlessly through the sea, and watch the world slow down as the sun dips below the horizon. As night falls, the island comes alive in a different way. Music, laughter, and the kind of energy that makes every evening unforgettable. And when you're ready for something even more peaceful, just a short boat ride away is Gili Meno. Quiet, untouched, almost surreal. Also explore the next island, Gili Air. A great place to walk around. This is where you go to truly disconnect. Where the only sounds are the ocean, the breeze, and your own thoughts. Walk along empty beaches. Feel the soft sand beneath your feet, and experience a kind of calm that's becoming harder to find in the world. Moments here feel longer, deeper, more meaningful. And that's what this journey is really about. It's not just the places, it's how they make you feel. It's the sunrise that reminds you to begin again. The ocean that reminds you how small your worries really are. The people who remind you what kindness looks like. Travel changes something inside you. It opens your eyes. It shifts your perspective, and it leaves you with memories that stay with you long after you return home. Whether you're exploring the vibrant culture of Bali, standing in awe on the cliffs of Nusa Penida, finding peace on Nusa Ceningan, or escaping to the simplicity of the Gili Islands, this part of the world offers something truly special. Something real. Something unforgettable. So if you've ever thought about going, if you've ever felt that pull towards somewhere new, take this as your sign. Pack your bags. Follow your curiosity. And experience it for yourself. Because the world is full of places like this, waiting to be discovered. And sometimes, all it takes is one journey.